Hey folks, so back in 2017 I uploaded a video to this channel called How to Stabilize an Ironing Board. And as you can see, I took the little rubbery tips at the end of the piping that forms the feet of the ironing board and attached some copper elbows from the piping section at Lowe's. And it worked really well. I've been using this ironing board for years. However, if you want to do it right now, these elbows have become really costly. So with everything going up, and here is another ironing board in dire need of repair. So if you look at it, if you look at it, that leg is broken, and taking the pieces to superglue them and reattach, or even to add copper elbows to them, would be futile. The superglue did not adhere and this broke again. But there is a simple solution. What I did was I got these chair tips, and we'll see if the end will fit and how this will work. Because right now, without that leg there, and if you notice a couple of the legs, like right over here, for example, and the other one on the other side in the back, are also broken. So then you end up needing another ironing board, because you take those legs off and then you have less thickness. You had the thickness of the plastic on both sides extra for extra stability. Not much, but with these flimsy ironing boards, every little bit helps. So I'm trying to open this box, and I finally have it open. Whoops. So the thing is, will they work? As you can see, it is a feat to put them on, but they do work. So this is a great idea, getting the chair tips that you put at the bottom of chairs, the old wooden ones, and putting them on there. So now let us see how it will fare once I put them on all. That leg was not coming off because it's not broken, but this one came off easily. Okay, got that off with a little muscle. So these things are sticking out more than what these did, and although they don't give you the extra height of the elbows or slightly extra width, it seems to work out really well. They're always going to be a little wobbly and not quite as stable as that one, but it's a good alternative to replacing your ironing board when the ends of the legs on them break. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.